I don't know if y'all can see that, but my juice is going over now. Okay.
Y'all see y'all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mommy Babs for the ones that do not know, and this is Little Babs. Yay! Yeah, you guys, I am coming in with another video. Gonna come in with some Lo'Mein. It's like garlic chicken Lo'Mein that I made. It's homemade. But yeah, so I want to come in here and do this because I am sick, you guys. We've been sick, and so we just basically wanted to come with the video and also hang out with you guys. And she has her Lunchable that she wanted, so she didn't want any. She usually like noodles, but she usually kind of, when she sees something she wants, she just basically get it. So let's say our prayers. Oh, God, thank you for this food. Everybody to see, let nourish our bodies, and we love you. Amen. And here's my son coming in here too.
I got shirts on.
Yeah, I know you got a shirt on this time.
Look. You see, Mom? Mommy, this is...
Mm-hmm.
That's the capital.
Say wave.
Wave.
Wait, really? I said say wave, but I didn't mean to say wave. Okay. All right.
Are
Hmm?
you high?
Huh?
You can go high. I can go high, sit down, honey.
All right. Y'all probably hear a little
This one cool.
fussing over here.
Look.
And I got me an egg over here, y'all. I didn't feel like cutting it up and doing all the extra
Mommy,
stuff.
she got my cookie.
Yeah, this is juice from the noodles.
Yeah.
This is real good. Like, all the spices usually be in the juice, so I want to make sure I get the juice and bring it with me.
I got shit on too.
Yeah, I know you got a shirt on. Yeah, he talking about his shirt because I used to tell him he can't get on video without a shirt on.
Honey.
And he always taking his shirts off, so.
I got some shirt. I say mine. I want the shirt on. Mommy, I tired you to put my shirt on. Yes, I do. But the thing is, no. Got a bow. You come too? Come too? Mom, she come too first.
Well, here, pick up her Lunchable. She gonna go with you.
Okay.
Junior gonna hold it for you and take it in there with Daddy.
Come on. Here.
Alright, love y'all.
Oh, my, how are you?
Be careful. You got it? Okay.
I got it, Mom.
How is everybody doing today? For the ones that are new, welcome to the Babs fam. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. If you like this video so far, make sure you guys give it a like. But yeah, I had the kids in here. Well, I had my daughter in here because she didn't want to go in the living room with her dad and brothers. It was good. I don't know if y'all can see that, but my juice is going over now. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, licking my fingers. But anyway. And she wanted to come back here with me. So I was like, I'm not gonna miss out on that. I just let her go ahead and sit here with me. So I just plan to kind of like sit up beside me and let her eat, you know. She wanted to eat, I wanted to eat. Might as well, huh? Y'all might hear them in the background fussing at each other. Yeah, I got like green onions on here. And one of them was like long, like a noodle, but it was like thin. So I was like, is it a noodle or is this a green onion? I just took it out and looked at it. But I put some in the broth. And I also put some on top of my noodles to have like that raw, you know. This is really good. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about that. But yeah guys, so I went to go get some more paper towel, right? Tell me why I dropped all my broth that I had that left over. It was barely in the left. But I dropped all my broth and noodles that was left in there. So even mukbangers go through problems too. We best go, well, either the food ain't right or either something else happened, like equipment or something. Yeah, my lighting just keep going in and out. Yeah, I'm sorry. The stuff just changing. The lighting changing. I ain't got time for just eat. I hate cold noodles. I'm not gonna do no cold noodles. My lipstick gone. It's been a rough week. Both my kids, two of my kids got sick. Then I got sick. Thank God my oldest haven't got sick, and he the one that goes to school. And the teacher would tell me, she called me this morning. She was like, is Dream coming to school? Well, yeah, she was like, is he coming to school today? And I was like, yeah. I was like, yesterday, yeah, I was out for, because of the storm or whatever, the snow that's supposed to came, right? She was like, no. I was like, oh, I thought y'all was out, school was closed. So I thought school closed. And then Monday, he wasn't feeling good, so I let him stay home. But yeah, you know what? I ain't got time. I'm gonna just pick this up. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's so good though. This juice is really good. I probably say I probably put in him what I put in him. It's just simple ingredients, some that you basically have at home. Except the teriyaki sauce I put in here. I only put a little bit of that though. You really don't need that. You can do without that. You actually have other ingredients you can actually use. But yeah, you guys, it's gonna be a short video. Nothing too much. I'm sick. You guys give me your prayers. Then if you guys don't know about my daughter being sick, but my daughter was got sick last year, so she shouldn't be getting sick. It's not good for her to be getting sick because her immune system is still low. If you guys don't know, she went through chemo. I have a backstory about that soon, but yeah, so chemo makes your immune system low. If anybody having questions about that, about chemo and stuff like that, make sure you guys leave a comment down below so I can kind of give you more background on that if you need help with that. For once, I don't know too much about it, but yeah, I'm sorry about the head cut off thing. We'll have to like in a bun kind of, but yeah, once I figure out how I want things, I will start rearranging stuff. And plus I got the camera kind of closer so y'all can see the food. But whenever I do like the ones, you know, when I'm sitting up, which I probably do in a minute, you know, y'all will be able to see me up a little bit closer. But these videos won't come out around the same time or same week. I don't know, I'm gonna figure that out, how I want to do things. I try to do as many videos as I can because even though I don't seem busy to others, I'm a busy mom. So, and then trying to make sure I get my time, you know. So you have to make time for yourself. I will have a video about that soon coming out. So make sure you guys look out for that. But yeah, if anybody having questions or basically want to, you know, keep me in your prayers, send some love this way. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please like the video. I'm sorry you guys, I came over here sick, but I didn't want to leave you guys without nothing. So I thought it would be best to go ahead and do one for this week. So I'm sorry about the next video y'all probably get with me being sick, but I felt like I should come on here because somebody still needs to hear some positive input and know that you still have to continue and push forward for what you want, because that's what I'm doing. I really like YouTube, what I do, and like the community that I'm building. Appreciative of you guys, and also to share awareness that I'm trying to get out. I'm trying to get more details before I start like an awareness thing, but I still feel strongly about it because something needs to be done and taken care of because it was almost too late. But I thank God that it didn't get that far. I will see you guys later. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you guys like the video if you like the video. I'm so sorry for coming on here like this and probably y'all get feedback for paper towels and all that stuff. But yeah, it was just a simple video. I just want to come over here. And don't forget, love and peace and laughter is very important. Make sure you guys share this with everyone. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.